Question says given that 4 cot theta plus 3 is equals to 0 and theta is greater than 0 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And when you do this type of a question, we'll need to draw a Cartesian plane and a triangle. First, let's simplify this. It's going to be 4 cot theta plus 3 is equals to 0. Then it's going to be 4 cot theta is equals to negative 3. Next, we divide both sides by 4. Then cot theta is equals to negative 3 divided by 4. And again, cot is 1 divided by tan, which will be tan theta here, which is the same thing as negative 3 divided by 4. You can cross multiply, then it's going to be tan theta multiplied by negative 3, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 1. Then tan theta is equals to 4 divided by negative 3. Now we have simplified that equation. Now that we simplify this equation, and it's like this, tan theta is equals to 4 divided by negative 3. Next we can come here. As you can see, they say that this theta is greater than 0 degrees but less than 180. Like I said, we're gonna draw a triangle starting with a Cartesian plane. Then it's going to be something like this. Here's going to be 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. And as you can see, this theta is greater than 0 degrees, which means it's greater than 0 degrees, but less than 180 is less than 180. Then the triangle is going to be in this second quadrant, since it's less than 180 degrees. Then, as you can see from here, tan theta is equals to 4 divided by negative 3, and tan is opposite divided by adjacent. And here, this one will be the opposite, while this will be the adjacent. And meaning that to say that here on this triangle, the distance from here up to here will be 4. And from here to here, which is the adjacent side, is going to be negative 3, the distance from here until here. And here we have this theta. Yeah, now we are done with the triangle. We can start by answering the first question. The first question wants you to find cos theta without the use of a calculator. Then cos theta, cos is adjacent hypotenuse. Then you're gonna look here. The side that's going to be adjacent is this one, since we know that from this tan theta, this is the adjacent. Then it's going to be negative 3 divided by the hypotenuse side. The hypotenuse is this, the longest side. We don't have it. We can find it using the quadratic, the theorem of Pythagoras, yeah. Then it's going to be, and now if we are looking for this hypotenuse side, it's going to be in 4 squared plus negative 3 squared. We want this side. Then this will be the hypotenuse squared, the same thing as 4 squared plus negative 3 squared. Then you can use a calculator to find the value of this hypotenuse side. And the answer is 5. Now that we found the value of this hypotenuse side, which is 5, we can complete this question. Then here is going to be 5, and that's the answer. Next, let's look at the next question. The next one, which is B, is 3 sine theta sec theta divided by tan theta. Next, we can simplify this expression. It's going to be sec is the same thing as 1 divided by cos theta divided by tan theta. Next, now we can look here on the triangle and find the values. First, we have sine theta. Sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is sine. And here on this triangle, opposite is this side, 4 divided by hypotenuse is 5. 5 multiply by 1 divided by cos theta. Cos theta, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and the cos theta here start with adjacent. Adjacent is -3. We were given -3 divided by hypotenuse we calculated is 5. Next, we come here, tan theta. Tan is opposite adjacent. And the opposite here, the opposite of this tan theta is 4 divided by adjacent is -3. When you simplify all of this, the final answer will be 3. The next video, I'm gonna finish up this question. Yeah.